Hi everyone, it's Kevin here. Just welcome back to the channel. We're at National, Alamo, and Enterprise, Toronto Pearson Airport. We just want to quickly mention they all share the same fleet, so any of the vehicles you see here could apply for any of National, Alamo, and Enterprise. All right, we'll get started here and we'll take a look at Premier Selection and some of the other vehicles available for rent. And just a quick reminder, go ahead and click the subscribe button if you guys haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, click on the like button. And we'll get started here at Toronto Pearson Airport. And in Premier Selection, we have a 3 Series BMW, Mustang, and this is actually an EcoBoost. Most of the coupes previously were 5-liter convertibles, but this one's also got the upgraded wheels. It probably has quite a few other options based on another one I took a look at a little bit earlier in the week. And this should be an X3, and I believe the other one is a 3 Series, so we got an X3 here. And we got that Mustang, and I'll just quickly verify that is actually, yeah, 330i. Looks a little bit newer. This, while I'm here, if it's not locked, let's just take a quick peek in this Mustang here. Yeah, see, this one's got the carbon fiber trim, some really interesting combinations. The upgraded seats, I believe. Doesn't have the digital dash. Has it got the premium audio? I don't see anything offhand, but it's got the small spoiler on the back. You can see some of the Overflow cars down there, and we'll just go through the rest of the aisle here. We've got a VW with the sunroof on the VW. We got a Camry over here, and we got one of these Chrysler 300s with the sunroof. Nice weather here, it'd be great to have a sunroof. We got a couple Ford Edge, another VW, and we got one of these older Ford Fusions, probably a hybrid, Nissan Maxima. And again, we get the SL trim here mostly in Toronto with the sunroof and the Bose audio, and we got one of these little compact Toyotas. Let me just, I don't think I've gone in one of the Maximas. I'll just kind of show you guys real quick here. And if we continue on, oh, they must have got a bunch of these VWs in. We got a Malibu, Camry, a couple Camrys here. Another VW. This one doesn't have plates on the front. It's probably a Quebec car. Another Malibu. RAV4 with a wiper up. Got one of these Kias here. Mazda, probably a CX-3. Corolla. Another Maxima here. And they have a ton of cars here. It's a busy weekend. Long weekend here. It's just a little bit of the overflow. A couple SUVs here. Expedition, minivan, and let's go down the other side of the executive aisle. That was the executive aisle we were just looking at here. So we got a Mitsubishi SUV, one of those Toyotas, Hyundai, another Malibu. They must have got a bunch of Malibus in too. Corolla, Jeep Compass. We got a smaller Kia, another of these Hyundais. And we've got probably a Sentra and a Grand Cherokee pulling in here. Another Malibu. And a VW. Let me just pop into... I bet you these are all probably brand new. No sunroof on this Malibu, but yeah, 30 kilometers, so about 20 miles on the Malibu. And then this VW, let's have a... because they got a bunch of these VWs. Let's have a look at this one here, the sunroof. And, oh no, this one's got some miles on it. Almost 12,000 kilometers. And there's another one here. Got an Escape. Got an Edge. Another Camry. A couple more Edge. And a Kia. And you can kind of see, okay, here comes a 300, probably for the aisle. But this is all overfull, so that's where they park all the larger SUVs. So whether you have a standard full-size premium SUV booked, whether it's National, Alamo, or Enterprise, they're probably going to pull something out of there for you. We got a Hyundai here, another VW, and this is just the regular Emerald aisle. Got a bunch of compact SUVs here, Mitsubishi. Well, looks like you don't see too many Civics. There's a Civic here somebody's taken. Oh, we got a Kia, a couple Kias here. Man, there's a lot of these VWs. What are these VWs? Are these Passat? I gotta work on my car names here for some of the newer models. Jetta, of course. Okay, Jetta. All right, I'll try to remember that, guys. And we got a VW compact SUV, Mazda, a couple Mazdas, got a Chevy, Mitsubishi, we got a Kia, and we got a Corolla, and we're gonna wrap up with, what are these? I think these are Trailblazers. This one actually looks, anything with a CW has a chance of being a little bit newer on the license plate. Well, fairly new. It's got about 1,000 miles on it. Trailblazer all-wheel drive. Okay, we're just going to continue on here. There are so many cars coming. I don't know where they're going to park them all. There's a Tahoe going through. This is just, the signs say Alamo, but this is really just kind of some of their more premium cars here. We got a 4Runner, we got an Audi. Oh, is this an A6? I just rented an A6 recently. I bet you this is an A. You know it is. Okay, so there's one here in Toronto, GLC 300. And if we continue on, we got a Tahoe. Actually, some of you guys have been asking to see inside some of these larger SUVs. I know I've done it before. Oh, I was going to do it again for you, but this one's locked. We'll see if we can find another one. We got a Polestar here, just the regular edition. And we got another Rubicon. Gladiator. And there you go. There's a second one. The other one I saw was a green one. Shout out to one of the viewers for pointing that out. We've got a, was that a Colorado pickup? And we got a Jeep, a couple Jeeps here, a couple Wranglers, Ford F-150. What's, you guys might have to help me out this with the trail. Okay, so that's an XLT. Another Rubicon in green. Oh, this might be, oh, that's the one from last week. Geez, and there's another Rubicon coming up here too. And it's a Gladiator. Oh man, look at that. So there's two Rubicon Gladiators here. We got another Polestar, Cadillac, SUV, and you can just, again, this is just, man, if you're renting from National Alamo Enterprise, you're in good shape because they have a lot of cars kind of jammed in there as everybody shows up for the long weekend here. We got another Jeep. We got, oh, is this new for, is this new for Toronto? I can't remember if I've seen these at, I've heard they had them in Toronto. The electric Konas. Got a smaller BMW. And we got a Polestar. That other Polestar was a performance edition. These are just the regular editions. And we got a GLC 300. Another Trailblazer, Wrangler, 3 Series, probably another 330i, Dodge Charger, GT, no sunroof. We got a BMW, we got a Wrangler, Performance Edition Polestars. We got a couple Polestars. I think that's a Mercedes A220, Mustang EcoBoost convertible. And you can kind of see lots of cars coming in here. And we'll just go over to, again, this is the Alamo side, but it's, keep in mind, Alamo, Enterprise, National all share the same fleet. So just with car craziness, they just park things pretty much wherever they can. Okay, so we got a Kia, we got an Explorer, the wipers up, another Polestar, one of these tiny compact Chevys. Is that a Mazda 3 Series maybe? Another BMW 3 Series. Got a Kia, a couple of Escapes, another Kia. It's looking good at the exit. No, wait, at the exit. We're gonna have these, what are these Mazdas? Is this like a CX-2 maybe, or a CX-3? Okay, CX-3. We got another Kia Kona beside it. And we got 5-liter Mustang with the spoiler on it. I wouldn't mind driving this one sometime. Yeah. This would be the one. This is going to be loaded. Got the gauges in the center. I forget where to look for the upgraded audio. I'm guessing it probably has it. This would be pretty awesome. What's the mileage on here? 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. So about 6,000 miles on it. Yeah, I love the rims and just the overall package on this. That would be a lot of fun. We got another Polestar, maybe like an X1, Grand Cherokee. And it's kind of squeezed in there a little bit. Let me just see if I can... oh, this is probably locked because the mirrors are bent in. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Let me just show you guys the Grand Cherokee again quickly here. And I don't see the third row, so this is probably just not the L. Yeah, limited. Yeah, and it's not the L. Okay. All right, we got some more of the executive aisle here at National. We got another of these Malibus that's fairly new. We got more cars coming in here, a couple Kias. We got another Maxima, Ford Escape. Wow, it's awesome seeing all these cars here. Toyota Camry, Hyundai Elantra, another Jetta, Corolla, and I got a Hyundai Corolla, Mitsubishi SUV. You can see some of the overflow here. We got a Durango Hemi at the end. Let's see if I can get through here. We got a couple trucks in the back. Another Jeep. Oh, here's another Grand Cherokee. It's got the different wheels on it. And a couple more GMC pickup trucks. Oh, or no, that's a Denali. No, Yukon. Okay, Yukon. And I'll try not to get run over by this 4Runner here. Okay, so now we're over on the Enterprise side. We got a minivan. Camry. Kia. 3 Series. They got a bunch of these 3 Series BMWs, and they all don't have the license plates on the front. Another Elantra. I got a Jeep Wrangler. Kia. And what else we got here? Corolla. More compact SUVs, and all right, this is kind of more the upgrades down here on the end towards the terminal. We got one of those GLC Mercedes. And I think that's an A220 Mercedes 3 Series. Yeah, all these, what's going on with all these 3 Series, no license plate on the back? Let's check this out. What do we got here? Well, they must have all came through Quebec plates. I don't know. And we got a 5-liter Mustang, convertible. Another 3 Series B. Okay, this one's got Ontario plates on it. Another GLC 300, 330. 5-liter Mustang with a stripe on it here. And we got a Mercedes C300. It's nice to see. We don't see these too often. At least in Toronto anyway. Is this one newer? And don't forget your key. I'm going to show the mileage. Anyway, you can look at the interior while I wait to see if that comes up. And no, sorry, it's not going to come up, guys. It's in good shape regardless. C300. And we got another BMW X-Drive 330i. Another GLC 300. And they got some cars parked down here. It's just kind of a mix of everything. These are all returns. They probably have these lined up for customers here. Here's another of these Gladiators. Mojave. Oh. Geez, I'm not even sure what that trim is. That kind of looks pretty serious off-road though, guys. I don't know. Mojave. It's got like the hood vent. Desert rated. And the interior. I'm not sure if there's anything special about the interior, but check out these tires. And the shocks on there. You can see that. It's got the covered liner on the back. Yeah, it's awesome to see these different trim levels come in. Okay, I'm gonna wrap things up here down the other side of Enterprise. Thanks everyone for watching. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. As soon as we do that, it opens up a couple things like live streams and a couple other things we can do for the channel. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click on that like button. Helps with the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.